TLI Group was formed back in the year 2000. It's a diverse, multidisciplinary service provider serving the utility industry in Ireland. It employs approximately 1,300 people across the country, both north and south. Our ambition as a business is to be the safest, best-in-class and most successful service provider, adding sustainable value to the customers and communities that we serve.
GIS is used from a HSQE perspective across all departments in TLI Group. We use it for capturing safety and quality audits from site, and it's also used by our operatives out on site for reporting near miss, good catch reports, stop reports. So we get them to use the platform to get all the reports back into head office.
TLI Group has 4 main business units: power, transmission and distribution, renewables and engineering, telecoms and smart energy services. We offer a diverse range of services for our clients in the critical utility and infrastructure industry.
The main challenges that TLI encountered as we pursued growth and larger scale operations were data silos, paper-based and unstructured processes. GIS has helped us solve these challenges by providing a single source of truth. All of the data we need is combined into one location, allowing us to access it readily and easily, and then share it as required across the organisation and with our clients.
Within my department, I use Survey 123. That involves assigning critical equipment to workers out on site. Moving to Survey 123 is much easier and less paperwork involved, much easier for the guys out on site.
It would have been 4 years ago where we're actually jotting everything down, we're writing everything down as we walk stuff off. Everything's on a traffic light system on the pads and on our phones, and goes to the crews that are doing the cabling and to the supervisor like myself. It just makes life a lot easier out on site. It's crucial in the works that we do. Without the field maps and ArcGIS for design changes, this work just couldn't be done.
We set up ArcGIS dashboards, ArcGIS web experience builders to review the results from site to ensure highest data quality standards.
We then export all the information that we have to whatever data source the client wants. So that could be Excel, that could be KMZ, geodatabase.
From a time-saving perspective, all our operations work more effectively and efficiently. There's less time spent with paperwork, there's far less time spent searching for information. All the information, we hope, from the very start to the end is captured on the one platform. It's available to us at our fingertips. So we keep looking to develop new forms, new templates, new processes that help to drive efficiencies out on site.
The next step with TLI and GIS is to fully embed GIS across our organisation in every division we have. We already have a strong presence of GIS in our telecoms and renewables and engineering and smart metering. Now we want to embed it across all of our departments.